Now we discussed about yoga fundamentals and yoga. Now we are discussing about yoga tips. Yoga tips. Here are some tips to help you get started. First step is how to do yoga. Create a comfortable spot for yoga practice. Get your second point is likewise 7 points are there. Then next is get your yoga accessories. Next is stay safe, prevent injury. Choose your yoga style. Always relax with Savasana. Savasana means you sleep on bed completely relaxedly. That is the Savasana. And practice yoga regularly. Regular practice of yoga will give very good activeness to you, to your body. So get on your mat. Practice and all will come. And another important thing is yoga will reduce your BP and sugar also by exercises. So it is better to do everyone. So then those 8 simple tips for getting started with something. Choose something you really want. And next is research and make a plan. Ask yourself what is worst and that could happen. And the next point is make it easy on yourself. Simple tips these are. Pump your emotional state. Find encouragement and help from other people. Just do it. Learn about time management. Time management means you can have a time early morning you can do, otherwise at evening you can do. Some people will have early morning they should go to the office at 9 p.m. and they are starting at 7 p.m. in the home. So they cannot do in morning timings. So they can do in evening time. Whatever their convenience, you can make a time and do yoga. Create a comfortable spot um, that is in the pump emotional and find next point is in simple tips is just to do it and learn about time management, that is most important. And the next point is create a comfortable spot for your yoga practice. Every day you should select a point, comfortable point to do your practice to practice yoga. By that what happens is at that time will come automatically. Your mood will go to that place only to practice yoga. So it is good. Try and find a spot where it is peaceful and quiet, with as much space around you as possible. An empty piece of wall can be handy two since the wall as a great prop. If you like, it can be nice and even helpful to create some atmosphere with a candle or an increased stick. And next point is here are some tips for staying healthy and preventing injury during physical activity. Make sure your body is ready for physical activity. Follow a training program. Training program is must because fundamentals you know how to do and what to do, what will be the benefits by doing that yoga. Follow a training program. Stay hydrated and eat a variety of nutritious foods. Stretch with your warm up and cool down. Rest and form good sleep habits. Manage stress and mental health. And then the next point is check out the quick guide below to choosing a yoga style that will support your intention to become svelte. Try Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. These Ashtanga Yoga will give all your body muscles will refresh by that Ashtanga Vinyasa Yoga. Then second point is to gain stability and increase mobility. To sweat, to sweat, try Bikram Yoga. To become more centered, try integral yoga. To ignite your next point is to ignite your passion and creativity. And then the next topic is tips to help you relax fully in savasana. Let go for the practice. During the beginning of savasana, you can bring back to mind what your intentions were to come and practice yoga. Get physically comfortable, tune inwards, relax the whole body, find the place of peace and calm. And the next point is, why should we do yoga regularly? Is it okay to practice yoga every day? How regularly should you do yoga? Image that is a general. Then the next point is a general rule of thumb is that yoga is best when practiced between 2 and 5 minutes per week. As you ease your way into a consistent practice schedule, that is good goal to aim for. Over time, you might find that your body can handle 5 or 6 sessions each week, if that is what you want. These are the yoga tips. All these tips will give very good idea to you. But this video is only for giving a simple understanding to you. But practically, if you implement it, try to go for yoga classes and you train better way. Better way means not complete concentration on that. You do certain level of attention regarding yoga and what is yoga and what to do, what are the benefits. If you know all these methods of yoga, you will be successful in yoga. Then your health will be very nice, and all things will be nice by that. Wishing you all the best.